Dit is weer Afrikaans met meneer Damons. Afrikaans met meneer Damons. Ek wil graag almal hartlik bedank vir die feit dat julle my like. Asseblief subscribe. I would like to appreciate all those who are viewing my channel. It's a learning channel. It's for everyone. So whether you are at Noordgrens, whether you are at Friendly, whether you are at Zealous, whether you are at Treehouse, Golden View, if you want to learn Afrikaans, this is the channel to follow. But I really appreciate all of you that are following me. Ek wil graag almal hartlik bedank vir julle ondersteuning, vir die views. Kom ons gaan voort, ons bou op hierdie kanaal om mekaar te kan help. So hier is 'n paar woorde vir julle, algemene woorde. Kom ons praat van die huis. Ons praat van die huis. 'n stoel, in Engels or in English it's a chair. Stoel, a chair. Tafel, table. Kombuis, kitchen. Stoof is a stove. Yskas, fridge. Kombuiskaste, kitchen cupboards. Borde, plates. Koppies, cups. Pierings, saucer. Messe, knives. Vurke, forks. Lepels, spoons. Thee, ek drink thee uit 'n koppie uit. I'm drinking tea out of a cup. Coffee met 'n K, coffee. Wasmachine, washing machine. And last, broodmes. It's a bread knife. Until next time, there will be more on the kitchen. Thank you.